This guide will help you enable low performance settings in Overwatch 2 to improve gameplay on lower end systems. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch Overwatch 2 and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. In the settings menu, select the video tab. Here, you will find various graphics options. Lower the settings for texture quality, shadow detail, and effects quality to improve performance. Step 3. Change resolution. Still in the video tab, look for the resolution settings. Consider lowering your screen resolution to reduce the graphical load on your system. A low resolution can significantly enhance frame rates. Step 4. Enable performance mode. Find the option for performance mode within the video settings. Enabling this mode will prioritize frame rate over visual quality, providing a smoother gaming experience. Step 5. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve game performance. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your gaming experience in Overwatch 2 on low performance systems. Enjoy your game.